Hey guys, Donnie here, and you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. When we come back, I got the GoolRC. This is the Binge1. I did a review on this last year, right before my surgery, so I only got one flight out of it, so I kind of want to go back and go through this again now that I got a 5G phone, so stay tuned for that. Hey, welcome back guys. Hey, I'm not going to do an unboxing. I did that last year. I just wanted to go over this drone again and give it a little bit better review on this. Now that I got a phone, an iPhone 5 that's got 5G network, so I was able to upload the app so we can get Wi-Fi FPV. The other thing cool about this drone is in the camera, it actually has, you push this right here, the camera slides right off, which is really neat. You can put the SD card right in this slot right here, so you can actually get DVR straight from the camera, or you can get it right there on the phone, which I'm just going to do the DVR right here on the camera itself. But I wanted to go over this again since I didn't really get a good enough review on that when I first did it. I was just a day before my surgery, so it was kind of a rush deal. I kind of wanted to go over it again, guys. This is a pretty cool little drone. To me, it reminds me of the Bugs 2, but like a little mini. So really had fun with this drone, even though I only got one flight out of it. It does have altitude hold. It's got GPS right here. It's got altitude hold on this switch. You click it in the middle of GPS. You click it all the way down. It's return to home. If the battery gets low or you lose connection from the 2.4 gigahertz controller, it will automatically return to home. But the deal of it is with this one is whatever height you're at, it's going to return at that height. If it's down below 30, I believe it's 30 meters, it will rise up to 30 meters and then return to home. So make sure you're in a clear spot. You can see I got a bunch of trees by me, so I'll make sure I'm in a good spot, and you know, I'm going to bring it back before it even goes to return to home. But anyways, I just kind of wanted to go over this again. You got high and low speed here. You got the geofencing here. If you hold this over, it'll make a beep, and you can get it geofenced, I think, about 100 meters. This thing's supposed to be good for 300 meters. But anyways, I want to go take this for a flight again because it's actually pretty fun, and it's a fast little quad. So, all right, guys, let's get this thing up in the air. All right, guys. Hey, I'm out here getting ready to do a flight with the GoolRC. We're going to have to calibrate the compasses. First off, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the drone. Just one press, and it'll come on. Turn the controller on so they can link. All right, they just connected with each other. The GoolRC app I have downloaded on the iPhone 5. So it's checking device. And I am going to connect right now. I have to turn on the Wi-Fi, so bear with me here for just 1 second. Get in the settings. Alright, Wi-Fi. Let's turn that on. Alright, so right now it's searching for it. UAV right there, 2CC024. Let's connect. Alright, let's go to GoolRC. Now we should be connected here. There we go. We have image. So hopefully you guys could see this. Hopefully you guys could see that okay, and there's no glare on there. So it actually has really no lag. It's actually really well with this iPhone, so that makes it really nice. So okay, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and calibrate it. Alright guys, we're going to calibrate the compasses for the GPS. So you're going to go to each corner, like so. Alright, so right now we have the blue light lit up in the front. So I'm going to spin this until the green light comes on in the back. Okay, now the green light's on here, guys, so you're going to put the nose up, and then you're going to rotate it. Okay, now they're all lit up, so we have it calibrated, guys. Right here we have the record button, and then this one takes pictures. So we press this button here, this should start flashing here, this little red light here. So alright, it's flashing, that means it's recording. Then you just press it again and it'll shut off, that means it stopped recording. Quick picture just by pressing this button here. I'll take a couple little snapshots. So now we're just waiting for satellites, guys. You got your telemetry right here. It tells you how many meters for height, distance, and then you got your speed rate. It's on high right now. Press it again, that's for low. So right now I'm just waiting for satellites right now, guys. So it'll be just a minute and I'll be right back. We got actually we're good. We got 7 satellites up here, so we should be able to take off. Yep, it's locked into GPS right now, guys. So, alright, I'm going to start the recording. Press that once, showing that it's recording. It's pretty windy right now, so it's kind of blowing it a little bit. So, it's been a year since I've flown this, guys, so it's been a while. Looks like the Wi-Fi FPV is working pretty good, guys. A little shaky up there because it's windy, but so far it's working pretty good, guys. It's really clear. I go and turn it and it's just right on the money right now. So let's go up a little bit higher. We're going up. We are at 55 meters, 58, 67. Now you can see the ocean right now, well, at least the slough. We are 82 meters up. It's a little shaky because there's no gimbal, so actually it's doing pretty good. Let me do a little pan to the right here. Starting to see the sunset there. That's not bad, guys. You can see the Pacific Ocean out there. Alright, let me do a back. Let's come back now. That thing's pretty fast, little quad. Alright, I'm going to come back down. Not bad at all. Alright guys, that's pretty cool, man. It did really well. I just can't believe how clear the Wi-Fi is. If you guys could see that, it's like super clear right now. So let's go ahead and land it, and I'm going to go in altitude hold. Alright, I'm going to stop the film. That thing did really well. I was surprised. Take off in altitude hold. Oh yeah, a lot more sportier there. Yeah, it moves pretty good, guys. It's not bad at all. See how it banks. Yeah, not too bad. It'd be nice to put a 5.8 gigahertz camera on here. It'd be pretty good. I think it'd be fun doing some flights with goggles. Just remember to bank way ahead because it doesn't bank on a dime. We're doing bring it down. I want to test the return to home. Monkey takeoff is not working for me, so let's fire it back up and go into we're in GPS mode, but I want to try the return to home. Okay, let's go out here a little bit. Alright, let's try return to home all the way down, guys. Let's see what it does. It's going up about 30 more meters. There it is. Coming back. Alright. Pretty close. It looks like it's coming back home. Almost to the controller here. Because our spot was over there. Well, the battery's going, so it was going to return to home anyways, guys. So here it comes. Let's see. I don't know. It's moving its way back over there. Here it comes. That's pretty close, so I'm going to go ahead and shut it off. Alright guys, hey, I just wanted to recap on this GoolRC Binge1. This thing's really fun. You also see this drone as a JJRC Hex. They're both probably the same drone. It's just probably rebranded. But it's super fun. It reminds me of the Bugs 2. But a little bit smaller. It's got a nicer camera. I believe this 1080p camera on this one is definitely a lot more clearer than the Bugs 2 camera. Super sporty, you know, especially when you go in altitude hold, you know, and you get about a flight time anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes. So I think this thing would be fun. I'd like to put a FPV camera on there, a 5.8 gigahertz, so I can wear my goggles. And I think it would make it just a whole nother drone, you know, to fly around. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll leave a link in the descriptions there where you can find this. And I sure appreciate it, guys. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Until we meet again, like always, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.